Hello, and welcome to today's little YouTube chat. So happy to have you here. If you don't know me, my name is Tanya, and I am the founder of yogabytanya.com. So, hi friends. If you have been practicing with me here on YouTube, I just want to personally invite you to come practice with me live this week. So I have weekly live classes at on my membership at yogabytanya.com, and I'll add the link below. But I'm really excited to invite you to come. These are affordable monthly classes. You can cancel at any time. And again, like I said, I have 3 live classes per week. And I also record these. So I have the replays available. But not only that, I have a very large library because I've been doing this for a while, for a few years now. So I have a very large library. And so what that means for you and what I teach is that I teach online live Vinyasa classes. I also teach in person, but unless you're local, you can't come to those. But my live practice are small, supportive groups. And so generally, I just have one or two, sometimes 3 people, but generally they're small classes because I mostly teach to family and friends, and you're my friends. And I'd like you to come and just explore this. Again, if you just try it out, you don't like it, you can always cancel it. It's pretty easy to do. So I teach Vinyasa flow classes, and on Mondays, I generally teach a slow flow. Like today, here in a minute, I will teach a slow flow class. Tuesdays is therapeutic, and so we work just on some inner strengthening of the deeper tissues, slow it down, do some therapeutic movements along with our flow, because flow is important. We add some meditation in there. It's varied. My classes are varied. Uh, we've been working on strengthening, adding load to our class, which is also very important, good for your bone health, your muscles, um, cardiovascular. Just it's good just to add a little bit of power, strength to the body. So if you have tight hips, this would be great classes for you to come to. Um, Sore or tired, achy lower back, spine issues, we work a lot on that. Tight shoulders, neck, we certainly um, we certainly touch on that too. And if you have a busy schedule and it's just hard for you to make it consistently to the gym or to a yoga studio or whatever it is that you're doing, just being able to stay at home and practice with me, um, I find helps. So my link is below again for my membership. And if you're not ready for that and you just want to go at your own pace, I do have a free 7-day yoga consistency challenge. I will also link that below, but make sure you get on that soon. I'm not sure if I'm going to update my Convert Kit, my email messenger, which all that flows through. But certainly get on that, grab that if you're interested. And I hope to see you soon. Please reach out to me if you have any questions, concerns, or just want to chat. I do have free chats that I do, and I'm happy to have you get on my schedule. So have a wonderful rest of your day. Looking forward to seeing you soon.